Katie read 1/3 of a book on Monday. She read 144 pages on Tuesday. The number of pages that she read on Tuesday was 1/4 less than the number of pages that she read on Monday. How many pages were there in the book? Wow, okay. So for this, right, your English really gotta be good. If your English is not good, you may really misinterpret the question. I'm just going to ignore the first two the first two sentences. I'm going to focus on this one. They said that the number of pages that she read on Tuesday was 1/4 less than the number of pages that she read on Monday. So, on which day did she read more? Monday or Tuesday? It'll be Monday, right? Okay? Because she said that the number of pages that she read on Tuesday was 1/4 less. So what? So it means that on Monday, I'm supposed to draw 4 units. Okay, on Tuesday, I'm supposed to draw 3 units. Why? It's because, can you tell that my 3 units is 1/4 less than my Monday, which is 4 units? See, can tell, right? Because it's 3 units, what? So my 3 units is 1/4 less than my 4 units on Monday. This is how you interpret. If you cannot interpret this right, no matter how good your math is, you're not going to be able to get this done. Okay, so we got this done already. And then now they told us that Katie read 1/3 of a book on Monday, which means that if on Monday there are 4 units, and then Monday is only 1/3, so total should have how many units? Total should have 3 times of the 4 unit, because this is only 1/3, so there should be 1 set, 1 set, 1 set. Total should have 12 units altogether. Okay, so I'm going to put O for others. Okay, so there's Monday, Tuesday, and other days. Total should have 12 units. How many units are there? Are there now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total should have 12. I'm left with how many units? I'm left with 12 minus 7. Okay, 12 unit minus 7 units equals to 5 units. So I need to draw 5 more. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now, over here they said that she read 144 pages on Tuesday. So from here, I can just say that from here to here is 144. Simple, right? Now, so we can write 3 units, arrow, 144 pages. Before even trying to answer the question, please just go and find the 1 unit. You'll be awarded marks for that. So just take 144 divided by 3. Go and do your long division. So 144 divided by 3, that will be 4 times 3 will give me 12. Okay, so 14 minus 12 will be 2. Bring down your 4. 8 times 3 will give me 24, and done. So 48, answer is 48. So each unit is 48. Now they said how many pages were there in the book? Total, we counted 12 units, right? Remember, because we managed to find out that Monday is 4 units and Monday is only 1/3, and therefore in total there should be 3 sets of 4 units. So it's 4 times 3, 12 units. So 12 units will be 12 multiplied by 48. Then as per usual, go and do your calculation. 12, 48. 2 times 8 is 16. 2 times 4, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Okay, cancel, put a 0. 1 times 8, 8. 1 times 4, 4. So add them all together. 6 plus 0, 6. 9 plus 8, 17, 5. So it's 576. Easy, right? So for this one, come down. If you're a parent watching this, help your child to interpret this. Sometimes the difficulty that your child might be facing for math may not necessarily be with regards to the mathematical operations. It may have to do with the English. Sometimes, I mean, even I may get it wrong. You know, when I'm very tired, you know, when I see things that are, when I see long problem sums, I may actually interpret it wrongly as well. So help your child to understand this. So how do you help your child to understand this? Go through as many of these types as possible, which is why I created the videos. So I created a video so you can either rewatch or watch other types of mathematical problem sums. You do it as many as possible and draw the model to illustrate to them. Kids usually, without the model, they can hardly visualize a lot of the question. So help them to visualize it, and the more they do, the better they will be when it goes down to such things. And take note, when you're watching the videos, look out for I know there are many of the videos I put question type, you know, and then I put like a description of the question type. So these are like the special type of questions that I would like you all to take note of. Okay, done.